Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a HAIER brand dryer and it's giving you an E2 error on the display and you're wondering what this error is and if there's anything you can do to get rid of it. So first of all, what the error is that the dryer fails to heat. Now, this can be really one of two things. It can be that your dryer is failing to heat or that the dryer is failing to sense that it is heating. So if your dryer is actually failing to heat, you're going to need to replace either the wiring or the elements in the heating elements. However, this also might be the thermistor, which is basically the heat sensor on your dryer. And so if it's actually getting hot, but it's still giving you this error, then you're going to want to replace the thermistor. And I'll go ahead and put in the description, I'll put a link to a guide into how to replace a thermistor in a dryer, and I'll also put a link into where you can actually buy a thermistor. They're a pretty cheap thing, and it's relatively easy to replace them. It's about 20 bucks and moderately easy to do.